Whenever you bring in a file like this, is that it's converting it to an NWC file.
Hello,
Don't
good
worry, it's
morning,
not
everybody.
actually changing your Revit file. What it's doing
On my
is that it's
foggy
making a copy of the Revit file.
So, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, and I just want to document a very, very chill lang na vlog. And actually, kakatapos lang dumating, kakatapos lang ng Cyclone Bayano last Sunday. Yeah, last Sunday. And up until now, it's still very rainy. You can see very, very wet yung window namin. And it's very, very cold today. That's why me and my baby are wearing onesie and long sleeves na kasi pa-autumn na. Diba? I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Good morning, everybody. So, yeah. You want to say good morning? Good morning, everyone. This is our morning routine. Miss Rachel yung playlist every morning na para ma-familiarize ni Moya yung mga kanta. Kasi, pinapanood ko si Miss Rachel, pero nanonood siya ng for a few minutes and then after a while, ayaw na niya. So, ganyan na lang. Playlist na lang muna. Up and down and up and down. Hopefully, we're gonna go to the activity center that we hired for Moya's birthday on September. And, hopefully, mag-reply yung kachika ko dun sa email. And then, after that, I think hindi tayo lalabas masyado. Kasi, medyo limitado yung galaw muna natin. Now, na 3 naps pa lang si Moya, medyo nahihirapan akong i-divide yung mga kailangan gawin in terms of feeding her and going out. So, we're gonna go to the activity center. Thankfully, it's just walking distance here. This isn't the normal route that we usually take for walking, but I kind of miss thrifting, but I need to do this in order for kasi matagal na siyang nasa to-do list namin. Okay, we're here now. But I need to turn off the camera kasi nahihiya ako. I'll just ask permission muna, you know? Okay, yeah, that's nice. It looks really, what do you call this one? It exceeded my expectations, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I like hearing that.
Yeah. I immediately emailed you, even though it's far away, like it's still on September. But I've had an experience before that they said that I
really.
Yes.
Yeah, I've got heaps of people ringing me like for this weekend and next weekend because of the weather.
Yes. Very
And I'm just
unpredictable.
sitting there going,
Parang na DJ. Na? Sige. Dati sir pumunta? Thank you.
So,
Dito ano? Dito silicone freezer na tray. DJ, imbes na tayo lunchbox. Wendo ko na yun. Nakam na? Yes. Okay, so hi guys. Yung Junakis ko nandyan, umiiyak. Kasi gusto niyang pumunta sa amin. Ayaw niyang ma-stuck sa plate niya. Well, anyway, we bought a lot of things. We went to Kmart and Posty and Baby Bunting. Let me give you a haul of what we bought. First thing, baterya. AA baterya. And then, because we need this one, we bought an activity center for Moya. And then, this one, this is the milk powder formula dispenser because I'm actually thinking na if lalabas kami, tapos kailangan naming, yung nangyayari kasi kapag lumalabas kami, umuwi kami agad for her nap time and for her feeding time. But, since actually, she's actually she's actually taking in some formulas. I'm thinking kapag nasa labas kami, baon na lang ako ng powdered milk and yung bote niya, and then yun, lalagyan ko siya ng mag-feed na lang siya ng bottle. Pero kapag ayaw niya pa rin, syempre, magbe-breastfeed na lang siya. And then, this one, this one is just $2.50. Dati, $10 siya. Kasi, for Easter siya. Binili ko na lang to kasi, naghahanap kasi ako ng mga lalagyan sa mga anik-anik ko dyan. Yan o, ang rami. I'm actually looking for some basket sa ukay-ukay. Pero, hindi siya, ayaw ko yung mga nakikita ko na basket doon. Kaya pumili na lang ako nito. Mas mura pa nga to. And then, pigeon. Pigeon na bote. Kasi, nagte-take naman siya ng bote. Pero, few mls lang, hindi yung normal na for baby talaga na nagte-take, na nagbobote talaga siya. Pero, yung nangyayari kasi kapag nagbobote siya, winawash ko yung bote niya and then ini-sterilize ko ulit. Pigeon rin yun. Pero Lancino yung teeth niya. Tapos, gagamitin niya ulit. Which is, usually, nakakaano siya, yung kuryente namin, sayang. And then, we bought some liquid clear container. Ito yun na yung magiging container ng mga gamit na kailangan ng hugasan. Kasi yung ginagamit namin, lunchbox na malaki, hindi siya yung height nung container nung lunchbox, very tall siya. Kailangan siya ng mas maliit para mas magiging compact yung lugar na pag-i-store niya. And then, I went to Posty. I bought 2 swaddle bag before, but then I canceled it and then requested for them na pwede ba na imbes na i-cancel na lang yun, tapos yung bayad ko dun, pupunta na lang dito sa mga pinamili ko. Which is, okay naman sa kanila. Tapos, meron pa akong $19 na natira. And then, okay. Ito, ponytail. Kasi wala na akong ponytail. And then, long sleeves na 1C. Kasi kailangan niya ng long sleeves na 1C. Marami kasi siyang mga pajamas. And then, this one as well. Lahat sila organic. Cotton organic. And then, this one as well. And then, kailangan ko kasi ng leggings. So, we bought one. And then, this terno. This one. And then, this one. Which is really, really, really pretty. So, yeah. And then, we bought this basurahan over here. And and then yung reason kung bakit kami pumunta ng Baby Bunting is this one. The activity center. Actually, we were so lucky kasi iisa na lang yan. And nahirapan pa silang hanapin that time. So, ayan. Anong nangyayari? Okay, bye-bye.